Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to remove the first or the last character from a text string. I'll show you two different ways. Let me know in the comments below which method you prefer. So we'll start off by removing the first character. We can use the write function for that. So for the write function, you have to specify the text string you want to return characters from, and then the number of characters. So if I was to type 3 in there, I know that's not what we want, but it will return the last 3 characters. Now we want to return all characters but the first one. So to get the number of characters within the text string, we use the len function and then subtract 1. So we're returning all but the first character. Now to remove the last character, we'll use the left function, and our text is over here in column C. And then for the number of characters, let's put in a 3 just to begin with. You can see it returns the first 3 characters. Not what we want. We want to return all but the last character. So we need to calculate the length of that text string using the len function. But we don't want to return all characters. We want to return all but the last character. So we say -1 at the end. You'll see that returns all but the last character. Okay, let's look at the second method. Now for this method, we're going to use the replace function. So our old text is here, the original text string, comma. Now start number. We want to remove the first character, so our start number is 1, comma. And then the number of characters we want to replace is also 1. But if you wanted to replace the first 2 characters, at this point you'd put a 2 in, not a 1, comma. So what do we want to replace that 1 character with? An empty text string. 2 speech marks, nothing in between. Close the bracket, press enter. You can see that that works. Removing the last character, we can use the same replace function. Our old text is here. Now our start number, we need to calculate that using the len function because we're removing the last character. The number of characters we want to remove is 1. And what do we want to replace that last character with? An empty text string. Copy it down. You'll see it works for all the text strings. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next video.